Hello everyone, this is Erlin from the Experience Research Lab. Today I'll show you how to calculate the Net Promoter Score, or also known as NPS. Net Promoter Score, or NPS, is one of the strategies in customer relationship management, or CRM, applied to assess customer loyalty, particularly the likelihood of promoting the company's brand, products, or services. Many CRM managers ask an NPS question in a single question survey. However, not a few have it with other questions in a questionnaire. At a glance, NPS looks similar to opinion scale and rating questions. If you want to learn more about the types of questions asked in a survey using a questionnaire, I recommend watching these videos. NPS, opinion scale, and rating questions use a numeric scale. However, compared to the other two, NPS is different because the scale is not adjustable. By default, NPS comes with an 11-point scale starting from 0 to 10. Further, the innovator, Fred Reichfield, breaks the scale into 3 indicators. 0 to 6 indicates the likelihood to detract, 7 to 8 shows no likelihood, and 9 to 10 suggests the possibility to promote. For example, based on your experience, how likely are you to recommend the type form to a friend or colleague? Those who choose any number between 0 and 6 are considered detractors. For some reasons, including poor perception and low level of satisfaction, they are more likely to say things that may reduce the value of the brand, product, or service. Those who pick 7 or 8 are the passives. Regardless of the perception and level of satisfaction, they'll not do anything that disadvantages or advantages the company. Those who select 9 or 10 are the promoters. They are happy stakeholders who are more than happy to promote the company, its brand, products, and services through the word of mouth. Now let's move a bit to the marketing side. Compared to the advertisement on traditional media, such as radio and TV, word-of-mouth marketing is far more powerful. Someone is more likely to go with the company, brand, product, or service promoted by their friends, family, or anyone within their social network. However, focusing on the promoters alone is not advisable. While they help the business grow, the detractors do not stop saying things that may jeopardize the company, brand, product, or service. Now let's talk about the scoring system. NPS equals the percentage of promoters subtracted by the percentage of detractors. Let's say 1,000 respondents participate in the survey. 40% choose between 1 and 6. 20% pick 7 or 8, while the rest select 9 or 10. In another case, there is the same number of participants. 50% are detractors and the remaining are promoters. Based on the formula I mentioned earlier, the NPS in both cases is 0. Further, referring to the concept proposed by Fred, I can say it is not that bad. Why? Because the minimum is minus 100 and the maximum is 100. Negative NPS indicates the urgent need for improvement. Between 0 and 30 is good. Between 30 and 70 is great. Anywhere above 70 is excellent. Looking back at both cases, you can see a higher percentage of promoters in the second, which is good for growth. However, there are more detractors indicating a higher risk. As mentioned early on, word of mouth is so powerful. This power applies not only to positive but also to negative message. Believe it or not, negativity speaks louder than positivity. That is to say that even though the NPS in both cases is the same, the benefit risk is different. It takes effort to turn the detractors into the passives. It even takes more to make them promoters. In other words, it requires double steps. How about the first case? There's an opportunity to convert the 20% passives into promoters and increase the NPS by creating the right message and encouraging them to share the experience with their network. Therefore, the CRM manager must pay attention to both sides and aim to reduce the number of detractors and increase the number of promoters. The lower the number of detractors and the higher the number of promoters, the higher the Net Promoter Score or NPS, and obviously, the better it is. Next time, I'll talk about loyalty and the likelihood of recommending a brand, product, or service using another technique and tool. Today, I'll leave you here. Thank you for being with me. For more insight into research and marketing, please subscribe, visit our website, and listen and watch our content. They're available in text, audio, and audio-visual format. See you in the other videos. Cheers!